Hi folks, this is Michelle here with a few updates on Canvas Google integration. So we have been using Google Assignment LTI, which is great and will still be accessible for you, but we have turned on the Google Cloud assignment tool so that you can embed assignments directly into a student assignment by use of Google Cloud, which allows a few extra features that the assignment LTI is not using currently. So the benefits are that it allows you to see what students see when you create the assignment. There is an actual submit button for students to use, and it allows you to grade within Canvas for Speed Grader, and that will be featured in one other help guide that's coming up. Drawbacks are that you can only access your Google Drive. You need to search for a very specific document title as it's not very browsable, and you do not have access to the shared team drive. So if you're going to assign a student assignment that you want to access through the shared team drive, you should save a copy of that assignment to your personal drive before you begin. The benefits of the assignment LTI that you have been possibly using are that it allows you to access Google Drive and Team Drives, and it's easy to embed in many different places. The drawbacks are that it doesn't allow you to see things the way that students do. It hasn't been entirely consistent, and it requires you to grade outside of Canvas. So here is how you would use the Google Cloud assignment tool. You would choose your assignment submission type as an external tool. Then you will choose your Google Cloud Drive assignment, and that's the one I've highlighted here. Previously, we were only able to access the Google Assignment LTI 1.3. Now there are two options, and you would choose the Drive Cloud Assignment tool. You would then locate the document that you wish to make a student assignment. Find that in your Drive. Set who you are assigning it to and the due date and any other parameters that you might want to include, like the points value or whether or not it's graded, those types of things. And then it will show up in a student view as an individual copy that each student receives. A few things that students will see from their end. First of all, when they log in and try to open the assignment, the first time they might get this login screen that says they need to authorize the integration. They will simply scroll down on their screen and click the authorize button that I've highlighted here, and they will sync that to their student Gmail account, so their mgschools.net account. Once they do that, they will be able to complete the assignment, and then they will click a submit button right here at the upper right hand corner of the assignment. When they have done that, nothing miraculous will happen, but they will get a submitted timestamp, and that will show up right here. That's the only way that students will know that they have submitted the assignment. The assignment won't disappear, it won't go anywhere, it won't get a confirmation that you have submitted. It will just give them a timestamp. Teachers, please beware that the submission time might not accurately match the student time versus the Canvas time. It might take some extended amount of time for it to update. It has varied for teacher submissions anywhere up to an hour, so don't be surprised if it doesn't upload student assignments right away. We will continue to update as we learn more, but it's a very useful tool in order to load student assignments that you can directly grade in Canvas using SpeedGrader. So we will update you on SpeedGrader next. Thanks for listening.